One problem for most men is the small size of their penis in its flaccid state. Although most of us tend to measure as being of average size in our erect state, the flaccid state of a large number of guys tend to be small. This small flaccid size is a big embarrassment to most men in situations that demand exposure of their genitals, usually on the beach, at the swimming pool or at the gym. Here are some tips to make your penis look bigger. This would prevent you from being shy when in situations that demand exposure of your genitals. 1. The first tip to adding some inches to your penis is to trim or shave your pubic hair. Although shaving your penis would make your genitals much more attractive and sexier to your lover, but you should know that if you want every inch of your penis to be displayed, then those bushes have to go. Your pubic hair hides the true size of your penis. Also remember to shave the region immediately above where your penis and pubic hair meet. To get that clean and sexy look, shave every hair on your genitals. Remember to rub some talcum powder on your genitals after shaving, or else you would be scratching your genitals almost every minute. After your first shave, the itching stops. 2. If you are in any situation where your flaccid penis would be exposed, like on the beach or at the pool, do some minutes of the jelq exercise. All you need to do is look for a place where you can have your privacy, maybe the toilet, and do the jelq exercise. This would force, it is not painful, blood into your penis and increase your flaccid size. The basic jelq is a simple exercise. All you do is achieve 60% erection, then squeeze the base of your penis very tight with an OK grip, and then slowly move your hands towards your penis head as you reach the head. Change to your other hand. 3. If you're overweight, then you should definitely lose weight. Now you have one more reason why you should go to the gym and cut down on excessive carbohydrates in your diet. The fat located over your pubic bones hides your penis length, and the more you gain weight, the shorter your member becomes. Without all those fat around your belly and pubic region, your sexual member would stick straight out from your body unhindered. Try losing weight by dieting and engaging in an exercise program. 4. In case you want your penis to look bigger just before you have sex, you can try taking a long, hot bath or shower before you begin. The heat will enable your blood vessels to expand and draw more blood into your penis. Try taking a hot bath with your lover as a form of foreplay. It would be very enjoyable. 5. You can try wearing a penis ring. When you wear this device on your genitals, it traps blood in your penis, and men who have erection problems usually use it. But if you are cool with such devices, then you can use it. The ring would keep your penis in a semi-erect state, which would definitely look bigger. Just be sure to buy an adjustable ring that encircles both penis and scrotum. 6. Use a quality herbal penis enlargement pill. When you use any of the few quality pills available, you begin noticing an increase in the size of your flaccid penis size after a few days. These pills increase blood flow to your penile tissues and allows your sexual member to be much bigger than when it is in its flaccid state. 7. To make your penis bigger, permanently engage in a quality penis exercise program. These exercises aim at increasing the length and width of your penile tissues, resulting in a bigger penile size both in the flaccid state and when erect. To reduce the time it takes for you to reach your desired penis size, use a quality penis enlargement pill in combination with penile exercises. With a bigger penis both in the flaccid state and when erect, all your insecurities about penis size vanish. If you want to know more on how to make your penis bigger, visit penisenlargementearl.com. Temitayo Olatunde is passionate about educating couples, both young, middle-aged and old, enjoy a great sex life. Visit his blog.